How to change your Twitch name on mobile. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name on Twitch. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. So to change your Twitch name, first open Twitch app on your smartphone. And note, the process will be pretty much same on Android and iPhone. And if you are using a PC or laptop, keep watching. I'm gonna show you how you can change your Twitch name on desktop version as well. So once you open Twitch app on your phone, first here click on your profile icon at the top right corner. And now here in your Twitch account, click on account settings. And here in your Twitch settings, click on community guidelines. And now here click on this person icon and then click on browse. And it will take you to the desktop version of Twitch. So if you are using a PC and laptop, you will be definitely in this page as well. Now you're gonna follow the same process. So first here, you need to log into your Twitch account. So click on login and log into your Twitch account using your username and password. So let me do this real quick. And if it asks you for verification as of security reason, verify your login information. They will send you a 6-digit verification code to your email address and you need to enter that code here in this box. So as I already got the code, let me paste it here and then wait for a few seconds. Now once you logged into your Twitch account on desktop version, click again on your profile icon at the top right corner. And here, click on settings. And here just scroll down. And here you can find your username and display name of your Twitch account. So here you can see you may update your username again in 2 months. So as I have created my Twitch account few days before, I cannot change my Twitch username right now. So I need to wait for 2 months to do it. So if you want to change your Twitch username, you can do it, but you should be completed 2 months since the day you changed your Twitch username. And if you want to change your display name of your Twitch account, you can just customize capitalization of your username. So here let me capitalize real quick. After capitalizing it, scroll down and click on Save Changes. And here it is, it has been capitalized. So if you want to change your Twitch username, you can do it. You can update or change your Twitch username once in 2 months. So this is what I wanted you to know. And if you found this video helpful, please do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to turn on dark mode on Twitch app, watch this video and I will see you in the next one.